Let me try and cut across to my colleague Akash. He's reporting from the ground, getting us a sense of the temple city of Ayodhya and what exactly is happening there. Good afternoon, Akash. Tell us where you are, what kind of preparations are underway. The entire city seems to be decked up.
Right. So good afternoon, Anusha. This railway station, in fact, this redeveloped building of Ayodhya Dham railway station. This is the station that in fact every corner of this station is giving you a feel of Nagari of Ram. And in fact, this has been designed and developed in such a way that those who are visiting the station will get a sense of how this city is going to look like in future. This particular station is redeveloped, in fact will be redeveloped in multiple phases. First phase, of course, the 240 crore budget, where we have 3-story building, a big circulating area, a big concourse, and also the platforms. 3 platforms with possible extension to 2 more platforms in the second phase. I'll try to talk to some people as well. आप कहाँ से आए हैं? यहाँ श्री राम भी लिखा हुआ है माथे पर, और पूरी अभी हम जहाँ स्टेशन तक आ रहे थे तो लग रहा था कि जैसे सब बस उसी भक्ति में रमे हुए हैं. आप कहाँ से हैं?
जी, सबसे पहले जय श्री राम. और मैं मध्य प्रदेश इंदौर से हूँ. डॉक्टर जितेंद्र चौहान मेरा नाम है. और हम जो है वहाँ से यहाँ जन्मभूमि अयोध्या आए हैं. और यहाँ आने के बाद जो चैन और जो सुख और जो आनंद की अनुभूति हुई, उसको मैं बखान नहीं कर सकता हूँ. क्योंकि कहते हैं कि जननी जन्मभूमि स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी. तो ये जो जन्मभूमि है श्री राम जी की, ये जो है स्वर्ग से भी बड़ी है. तो वाकई में वो अनुभूति मैंने यहाँ करी है. जब मैंने सरयू जी के घाट पर जो आरती देखी शाम की, उसके बाद जो नज़ारा देखा लाइटिंग का, वो सबसे बढ़िया दृश्य था. जो इतना एडवांस जो वर्जन इन्होंने करके और योगी जी और मोदी जी ने यहाँ पर किया है, वो देखने लायक बनता है. और आज मैंने श्री रामचंद्र जी के दर्शन किए, तो जो निर्माण कार्य भी देखा, यहाँ बहुत अच्छी गति से काम चल रहा है और पूरा माहौल भक्तिमय हो गया, राममय माहौल यहाँ पर हो चुका है.
अच्छा, इससे पहले भी आप मुझे यकीन है कि विजिट किए होंगे. अभी की अगर हम बात करें तो नया स्टेशन बन गया है, एयरपोर्ट बन गया है, कल मोदी जी इनॉग्रेट भी करने वाले हैं. तब की अयोध्या और अब की अयोध्या में कितना अंतर आप पाते हैं, और आने वाले दिनों में क्या कुछ उम्मीद है? एक
ड्रास्टिकल चेंज मैंने यहाँ पर देखा है. क्योंकि प्रीवियसली अगर बात करो अभी की, तो जो डेवलपमेंट अभी के हाल में हुआ है वो कहने योग्य है. कि मानना पड़ेगा यहाँ योगी जी और मोदी जी के साथ जो डबल इंजन की सरकार काम कर रही है. जो इस देवभूमि को उन्होंने यहाँ पर जो कैसे यूरेनियम वाली जो शक्ति दी है, देखा जाए जिस हिसाब से स्पीड पकड़ी है, तो काबिल तारीफ है. आप देख सकते हैं कि कल जो है मोदी जी आ रहे हैं और आज योगी जी भी आए हुए हैं. तो जो तैयारियाँ चल रही है, जो जिस स्टैंडर्ड के यहाँ पर रेलवे स्टेशन का आप भी देख पा रहे हैं, मैं भी देख पा रहा हूँ, जो स्टैंडर्ड का जो बनाया है वो बहुत ही बढ़िया है, शानदार है.
All right. So this is the kind of excitement among people, Anusha, and I was talking about the station, but tomorrow we are going to have a number of projects that will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In fact, important part is that Amrit Bharat train will be flagged off. This is the station from where first Amrit Bharat will be flagged off. In fact, second Amrit Bharat is from Malda town to Bengaluru. Other than these 2 Amrit Bharat trains, we have 6 Vande Bharat trains, 6 services, one from Ayodhya to Anand Vihar, then second one from Amritsar to Delhi, Mata Vaishno Devi, Katra to Delhi, and then some services in the south as well. If I can give you a sense of this particular station, this whole station, Anusha, you see the fine work, you have different sort of stone and the shades that are being given to the particular station. Because initially we were told that Railways was not planning to rename the station, but then a proposal went from state government, and then we saw that how from yesterday we are seeing a lot of practices where in fact the signboard has been changed. This is now Ayodhya Dham Junction, and this particular station, we have 2 railway stations here in Ayodhya Dham Junction and Ayodhya Cant. And this is the kind of building that has been developed by Indian Railways. In the first phase, 240 crore was the budget. Second phase will be of more than 400 crore. This is what we have been given to understand. More platforms, more area, more circulating area. In fact, waiting room, waiting lounges, puja shops and other facilities will be there. Northern Railways of Indian Railways has basically claimed of world-class services to all those who are visiting Ayodhya. We know about the grand program that we have on 22nd of January. But before that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting Ayodhya tomorrow, that is 30th of December. He is going to inaugurate a number of projects. In fact, a 2300 crore project, rail projects. doubling of Barabanki rail line, inauguration of this particular station building, then flagging off of multiple trains, and then Prime Minister is going to inaugurate some roads as well. Rampath, Bhakti Path, Dharam Path, Janam Bhumi Path. These are the 4 roads that Prime Minister Modi will be inaugurating. He's going to hold a mega road show of 8 kilometers. This is what we have been told. In fact, Siddhant, my colleague, was mentioning about that particular road show. But this particular building is the highlight of the day. In fact, we have new airport that will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Once again, if I can show you these cutouts. This is Maryada Purushottam Sri Ram, the cutouts, and also Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Also, if I can talk about the preparations. So, Anusha, preparations are in full swing because this whole building is under SPG control now because of security concerns. And, other than that, railway officials are very much there. They are preparing for this big day and the inauguration that we are going to see tomorrow by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Anusha.
Akash, as you get us that report, could you also give us a sense of what kind of security arrangements have been made? The who's who of the country in the next 1 month will be visiting Ayodhya. There are thousands of devotees, Akash, which are already there. And behind you, I can see it seems like a festival. It is indeed a festival that will be celebrated at its peak on the 22nd of January. But what kind of security arrangements have been made ahead of the Prime Minister's roadshow?
Right. This particular building, in fact, Pramodji will show you. The police officials, UP police is there, SPG is there, and then we have paramilitary forces, in this vicinity. We have the 4 kilometer area. We have been told that 4 to 5 kilometer area of that particular station, where station is in the center. The radius of 4 to 5 kilometer has been covered by security officials, where we are seeing PAC as well. PAC, RPF, GRP, the state police, and also SPG. These security personnel are very much there because they don't have to secure only Prime Minister, but this is the grand celebration where we are expecting not just people from Ayodhya but people from all across the country visiting this particular place. That is the reason why security aspect is one crucial aspect, Anusha, and this is why we have thousands of security personnel deployed in this particular region. Also, Saklani ji will try to show you these cutouts. These cutouts are, the biggest highlight of this station because initially, Anusha, on the left hand side, in fact, if Pramodji can show you, on the left side we have the old station building. This station building was very much working till morning, but today we had an announcement where it was said that no train will have an halt or stop here because this particular station is now closed for public. This is what we have been told. And all people who are, in fact, when you don't have trains, so people will not be going inside the particular station. But those who are, going inside the particular station, they are, passing by the security check and all the aspect. In fact, the security, safety, and the precautionary measures that are taken by these forces, all are being taken care of by the personnel who have been deployed here. This particular building is going to be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi tomorrow. On the other side, if I can show you these signboards, wherein these boards are talking about, all the trains that you are going to have from tomorrow onwards. This is Anand Vihar to Ayodhya Dham to Darbhanga. Ayodhya Dham to Darbhanga is the train that is going to start from tomorrow. And from Darbhanga to Ayodhya it will come, and then it will be extended to Delhi. It means that you have first Amrit Bharat from Delhi via Ayodhya to Darbhanga. Second one is from Malda town to Bengaluru. Other than these 2 Amrit Bharat trains, we have 6 Vande Bharat trains, and in future we'll have Vande Bharat sleeper as well. And then we have been told that these Vande Bharat trains from different cities will be coming to Ayodhya in future. This is what the plan is. In fact, Indian Railways is planning that on the basis of demands, on the basis of demand, it will be increasing these trains. In fact, the Vande Bharat trains and the Amrit Bharat trains from Ayodhya Dham Junction.